In a recent judgment, Supreme Court of India ordered that right to safe travel on national highways is an integral part of right to life under Article 21 Part 3 of Indian Constitution. इस order के बाद right to safe travel becomes integral part of dignified life under Article 21 right to life and personal liberty. Supreme Court ने ये orders पास करने के लिए यूज किए हैं अपनी special powers under Article 142 to do the complete justice whenever there is an executive inaction or governance vacuum in the country. This order brings a accountability shift from private duty to state's positive obligation. Means instead of driver's responsibility, now it becomes state's duty to provide the safe infrastructure on national highways to reduce the fatal accidents. Supreme Court ने एक metaphor use किया है corridors of peril for the national highways because these high-speed roads has become death traps without safety audits. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया एंड पब्लिक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट को अकाउंटेबल ठहराया है फॉर द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल गैप्स इन द कंट्री. आफ्टर दिस ऑर्डर, रोड सेफ्टी बिकम्स अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मैंडेट, नॉट जस्ट अ चॉइस. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डायरेक्शंस दिए हैं कि विद इन 60 days ऑल इलीगल ढाबाज और शॉप्स इन राइट ऑफ वे ऑन हाईवेज should be removed. 75 kilometers के within standing ambulance and recovery cranes होनी चाहिए and within 45 days it is the responsibility of that district magistrates to form district highway safety task forces. उसके अलावा immediate ban on shoulder parkings for heavy vehicles on the national highways is ordered by the Supreme Court. ये चीज आपको पता होनी चाहिए कि national highways constitute just 2% of our road infrastructure, but they cause 30% of the deaths due to road accidents. ये जजमेंट एक एग्जाम्पल है जुडिशियल एक्टिविज्म का बिकॉज इट टेंड्स टू ब्रिज द एनफोर्समेंट गैप और गवर्नेंस वैक्यूम बाय जुडिशियल ऑर्डर्स. So now onwards, keep in mind that Article 21 has been evolved further by the Supreme Court, where right to safe travel becomes an integral part of right to life and liberty under Article 21.